Hey guys, I got myself here. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a feature that not too many know about, and it's falling under the radar, and that is wallpaper mode for your iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable this feature. If you love creating your very own wallpapers, then this is going to be the video for you. So let's just dive right into this one. Now, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, of course, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, of course, I know how much you guys really enjoy wallpapers, so I went ahead and created my very own wallpaper pack. In case you didn't know, you can go ahead and check that out. Links, of course, will be in the description down below. But if you'd like to create your very own wallpaper, then this is going to be the video for you. Let me go ahead and show you how to enable that wallpaper mode. So the first thing you need to do is launch the settings application. Under settings, we want to find the camera extension here. Right there it is. So select camera and then go into formats. Under formats, we find the Apple Pro RAW option, so make sure you enable that. And then jump into the Pro RAW resolution and make sure the 48 megapixel camera is selected. Now this is going to be for the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. If you don't have this option, you can still do this, but I'm just showing you how to do that so that you get the highest quality. Now once you do that, you can go into the camera here and you have four options. You have the 0.5, you have the 1x, the 2, and the 3. In order to get the highest resolution for that wallpaper, when you snap that photo, you want to go into the 1x and make sure you disable micro, just like so. So make sure you disable that, and then just select a subject. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and do the HomePod here. So let's go ahead and select the HomePod here, put it in frame, and let's take a picture of the HomePod with the 48 megapixel camera. Once we do that, we are all set and ready to go. Here is the image at 48 megapixel. Click on the edit options down here. Then make sure you click on this edit option on the bottom right as well. And on top here, you'll find this option that allows you to change the format. Right here we go. We have original, we have freeform, we have square, and then we have wallpaper. And this will allow you to center those images and create a very nice wallpaper depending on what it is that you capture right there with the latest image that you captured with that 48 megapixel camera, just like so. So once you're done, now it'll be specifically formatted for the wallpaper of your iPhone. Click done right there, the wallpaper size that is, and now you have a brand new wallpaper for the lock screen of your iPhone. If you enjoy creating your very own wallpapers, this is going to be the best option for you to get the highest resolution on your device in order to make the best quality photos and create your very own wallpapers. You can create so many beautiful wallpapers with this option on iPhone. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.